Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look you're seeing right here. Yeah guys, isn't it beautiful? Of course it is. But before then, if today is your first time seeing this channel, please kindly subscribe and also turn on your notification bell in order not to miss out. So like I said, my name is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. I love you so much. You are the best. Thank you for stopping by. So guys, before we go straight to this video, I would like to say, in case you haven't watched the video on how I made this FAUX braids, yeah, because this one right here is a crochet. I crocheted this on, yeah. So in case you haven't watched the video on how I made it, the link will be somewhere right here or here, I don't know. So do check it out. Believe me, you will like it. So let's jump straight to the video. I love you. So guys, as you can see, I've already braided my hair halfway. Yeah, so here I'll be showing you how I'm braiding my hair, how I braided this braid pattern here. So here I'm just parting my head. Yeah, what I do is I parted my hair like all round from the front, the back and the side part of my head, and here I'm just creating some single plaits, yeah, all round. Like I did single plait all round, but at the front I did like 4 single plaits going backward, like straight backward. And then after that I'll just connect them to the next one, like you see me do. Here I'm connecting one single plait to the back one, and so this is all I do. When I get to the back, I'll just do cornrow, yes, cornrow it or straight back, yeah, if that makes sense. Yeah.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn down.
So guys, now I'm done braiding my hair out. Now I'm using my crochet needle to hide the left strand of hair. So I'm just hiding that with my crochet needle. As you can see, the braids pattern are really beautiful. Yeah, the braid pattern is beautiful. Sorry guys. So guys, here is the hair I'll be working with. This is a crochet DIY crochet jungle box braid I did in my last video. Just in case you haven't watched that, please kindly check out. Believe me, it's beautiful, you will like it. So here we'll be needing our crochet needle as well. Yeah, so here as you can see, I'm just crocheting the hair through, and what I do is I just open the loop a bit, because the loop I created were not that big, which I love. So what I do is, before crocheting that, I'll just open it a little bit more, yeah, widen it a bit, and then slide my crochet needle through the braids I created, like as you see me do, and then hook that and then pull that through. Yeah, simple as that. So if you guys notice, my hairstyles are always simple. I don't like giving myself any job that will be difficult for me. Yeah, I love to change my hair, but at the same time I love doing easy hairstyles that that will be easy for you too, if you get that. Okay, so here I'm still doing the same thing, crocheting the braid in between. And if you see what I'm doing, I'm just crocheting it individually, like on the braids, on the section I created, like those single braids or single plaits I created. Yeah. So here, as you can see, we are a bit far, like we've gone a bit far with the hair. And here is why, the reason why I created this braid pattern. As you can see, with this braid pattern, I will be able to wear my hair upward. Yeah, just the same way you see me do. So here I'm just doing the same thing, crocheting the hair. Like you see, I just slide the needle and then attach the crochet hair, and then close the hook, pull that through. Yeah, it's just as simple as that. Here guys, we've gone far, like really far, and I think at this point I would really like you to like watch it yourself without being interrupted. Yeah. So guys, we are almost done with our hair. We are almost done crocheting the hair. At this point, I just want to like at this point I have just a few braids left, so I would just be using the few braids that is left to like make sure I fix that at the back. So guys, if you can see, this is really looking beautiful, really beautiful. Although the hair is not as full as I wanted it to, but at the same time it's not bad, it's okay. Why it's not full for me is because, you know, you guys notice I love like full hair. I love my hair full, like super full, but this one was a little bit scanting, which is also beautiful. As you can see, it's beautiful. And what I love most about this hair is the ends. You know, the ends has these beautiful curls. I love so much, so much. So here I'm done. As you can see, with this braid pattern, I'm able to style my hair anyhow I want it. As you can see, I'm wearing it upward. Look at the front, everything is looking so individually, as if I braided it straight to my head. Believe me guys, if I don't tell you I crocheted this hair on my head, you won't know. Believe me, you won't know. Yeah. So guys, this is all I have to show you guys about this my beautiful gorgeous hairstyle, and I hope you enjoy watching this video with me. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video with your friends. You never know who you'll be helping to save some coins. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching, and see see you in my next video. I love you. Bye bye.